The areas of auscultation of heart sounds refer to the specific locations on the chest where the sounds of the heart can be best heard using a stethoscope. These areas are named according to the valves and chambers of the heart that produce the sounds, and include the aortic, pulmonic, tricuspid, and mitral areas. Erb's point, also known as the auscultatory area of the heart, is a specific location on the chest where all four heart valves can be heard at once. It is located in the third intercostal space to the left of the sternum. This area is important for identifying heart murmurs and other abnormal sounds that may indicate problems with the heart valves or other structures. Aortic area, second right intercostal space close to the sternum. Pulmonic area, second left intercostal space close to the sternum. Tricuspid area, lower left sternal border, fourth fifth intercostal space. Mitral area, fifth left intercostal space, midclavicular line.